Hey ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? My name is Alan with the Contractor License School, and I want to introduce you to a curriculum that we put together. It's Construction Project Management, and I just want to take a look at some of the deep information that you're going to learn. So for example, in starting the project, here is the table of contents just for this module alone. Planning the project, projects gone wrong, scope of work, understanding site conditions, what do you do before starting work, innovation of construction methodology, construction methodology specifically, going deeper, diving down, right? Alternative methodologies that can be beneficial potentially for your project, the construction schedule and preparation, project handover, and project instructions. That's just the data. That's just the information in only Module 2, and we have 12 modules for you to grow in. So ladies and gentlemen, get into this program, go down the description below, at least click on the link and check out what it costs, because I think you're going to be blown away. We have given you immense, incredible value for a good price. That's our way of saying, hey, thank you. We look forward to working with you, and we'll talk to you soon.